just make a quick video here and kind of explain to all of you guys who are pretty much new subscribers. So first of all, thank you for subscribing to me, and yeah, so I wanted to kind of make a little bit of a short explanation of what I do and what can you kind of expect from being a subscriber also. So I am a musician and I like to write a blog also, and I think I could say that I wrote a book. It's got enough pages, right? And I have this Veneto.fi brand and kind of an online shop. And then I make music as Don Abo. So I wanted to explain that, and kinda also I wanted to kinda explain into how I got into this, because it was, maybe you could say that it was through just random chance or whatever, but it's also cause ever since when I was a little child, well, I had a love for music, of course, for some artists. I listened to them through my teens and my early 20s. And I kinda always, I remember my mom asked me that what I want to be when I'm old, and I always said that I want to be the boss. And that actually meant, being the boss meant being an entrepreneur for me, because I always kind of pretty much loved the idea of being self-employed. So it was kind of a thing that I always visioned for myself ever since I was a child, to be an entrepreneur. And also, this is funny. Actually, an astrologer told me, I don't remember which astrology site it is, but there's a few online and some of them are great. I like to read sometimes. So, oracles like what's my future like, and ask the astrologers about their wisdom ways. So, an astrologer told me that you have to start an online business, and actually I had a few people tell me this, so that also helped. And also I've been like following a lot of guys online who of course have their own businesses online, and they even some do it like full time, not as a side thing, but they do it full time and they don't have any, I guess, other sources of income, like they don't work a day job. So yeah, and then I got into producing music through listening to it. I guess I wanted to share something about that. I need to say again credit to Leo Gura from Axlice.org, because he has kind of been my life coach for many years. Actually, I started to follow the guy online when I was 19. I'm 27 now, so it's been 8 years I've been following this guy. So that's what I'm hoping for us, that you guys can say someday, oh, I have to credit John Abo for this. He told me this. I have been following him for 10 years now. I would surely hope to hear that sometime. Maybe in the future then. Yeah, so I think I started my first business like when I was at first looking into how to like kind of make a website for yourself. Now I'm using WordPress. I really like that to create a website for me. That the address is veneto.fi. But at first I tried this website builder template kind of app, which is called Wix, Wix.com. So I tried that and I was studying many ideas. I was like, kind of have always been into exercising and fitness my life, so I thought that I would be like doing something fitness related with my entrepreneurship, that I could be maybe selling some kind of course for people to stay in shape. So that's what I thought I would be doing first. Lately I've been just kind of, I guess, philosophy and like songwriting and like yoga and well whatever. What else do I post? Like maybe you know better if you read my blog also. Maybe you know it better. If you don't, you should, of course, if you want. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can join the mailing list also over at veneto.fi. So right now I'm feeling like I kind of got over a little bit of a hunch that I kind of went through a little bit of a hunch. I mean, like Seth Godin talks about this in his book The Dip, because when you want to like become something awesome, there's this like chasm you have to jump through. And also the Native Americans also have a saying that your in life there is a great chasm and it's not as wide as it seems. They have this wisdom, the elders of like Native American Indians. So they have just jump through the chasm. It's like a wise thing, you know. But it's not as wide as it's still a little bit like kind of cold here in Finland still, but it's getting warmer every day. Yeah guys, that was probably the video this time. Cool. I feel like I'm done with this talk, so keep it short and sweet this time around. Okay guys, catch you next time. And be sure to hit that like for me, please. It really helps me to like know how many people are watching and liking my stuff. Help me stay on track about how many people there are and also supports the growth and whatever. So yeah, thanks a lot. Leave me a like and leave me a comment also.